Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gear Wheel Channel. It's November, and winter has long arrived. Naturally, with the arrival of winter comes rain and snow, and what happens in the mine when the weather is bad? Well, but before we get started, please do us a favor and subscribe to our channel so we can grow even more. Your support would mean a lot to us in our future projects. So, what actually happened here? Well, two XCMG trucks were passing each other, and the problem is that this part of the road has a two-way crossfall, but sloping towards each other. And since the road was muddy and slippery, gravity pulled them toward one another. But enough talking. Let's see how they'll get out of this mess. Alright, the first try was the easy way, to simply let the empty truck pass. But that didn't work because it kept sliding even closer to the other truck. So, we had to come up with another method. Then we tried using the Volvo EC950E to push it from the front, to see if it would move backward. Since that didn't work either, the shift leader decided on the next step, to have the Volvo excavator push it from behind, while the bulldozer pulled it from the front. But for that task, serious organization was needed, which was also carried out by the shift leader. So, first, it was necessary for the loaded truck to unload about 15% of the material to ease the rescue process. With that excess material, the EC950 would create a bench to climb and push the truck from behind more easily. Now that everything is ready in the back, all that's left is for the D375 to clear the mud in front of the truck for better traction. Everything is set. We're just waiting for the driver to get into the cab and for the shift leader to give the go-ahead. And we did it! Not a single scratch was made on both trucks, and most importantly, no one was injured. Thanks to the well-planned organization, the road was cleared, and production continued as usual. And all that's left now is for the loader to pick up the heavy-duty tow cable, let the loaded truck pass, and have the bulldozer spread the material that was on the road from the loaded truck. Well guys, thanks for sticking with us until the end. If you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, because your support means a lot to us. Until the next video, drive carefully and stay safe.